Now here's somewhere I haven't been since I left for my big road trip. I'm at Antique Crossroads in Hagerstown, Maryland. Let's go in and see what I've been missing. Well, for someone who doesn't really do Halloween, I guess I do Halloween now. That Whatnot sale got me in a Halloweeny spirit. Those are really neat. Okay, so another thing that's not really my thing is this dish. Oh, I thought it was pottery with glass over it. Just kidding. I think my eyes are still adjusting to the dark from the sun. Okay, but also how epic is this cat? That is so cool. I've never seen that one before. What are these little mouse and cheese? Oh, it's got a big chip. Dang. Wow, look at that Buster Brown. Oh, that's so epic. I kind of love that little Goble duck. Holiday booth. I see this Valentine's Day planter. That's Relpo, if I'm not mistaken. $40. That's definitely at retail. Snowmen. You know, I've been hoarding snowmen for my snowman sale coming up in December. Oh my gosh, how cute. And then here's the Halloween. I'm not much of a blow mold person, honestly. I never really quite understand. I feel like a lot of them look the same to me. There's so many different, like very subtle differences that I commend people who notice and are up to date on all those things. Oh, I thought that said $6.95.16. Just kidding. Oh my gosh, there's more. Yeah, it's been so long since I've been here. That's one of my favorite things about going out of town, coming back and everything being different. Oh, the Valentine's Day girl, $20. Again, just about what I'd get for that after fees. Now, this is one of my favorite booths here. They have some really great deals. Look at these tiebacks, how cute. And everything is 50% off. What is this weird bisque doll? Nippon, $40. So 20, even that's a little steep for me. A lot of the times you can find some pretty good deals in here, even though we are in Maryland where prices tend to be a little bit higher. Oh my gosh, except for the alligator, which is at $90. Epic. I'm a little surprised. I was just about to say, a lot of the times I don't find that the prices are marked up too much to reflect the fact that it is 50% off. So this one would be $45. Oh my gosh, this is a really great one. These Christmas ones are super epic, hard to find. It has been repainted on the red and does have some wear to the paint. However, I am gonna look this up because it's been so long since I've even seen one. I don't even remember what they sell for. I want to say the last one I had was in great condition and sold for $145. So I am gonna look that up right quick. This one at $50, that's definitely retail as far as I'm concerned. I feel like a lot of the regular head vases like that don't sell for as much for me, but this is special. Well, I'm still waiting to regain cell service to look up the last sold price. This is so fun. I've never seen this set before. I love cat stuff. I'm sure everyone knows that by now. That is a really cool deer too. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. That's really different. And it says 14. Okay, so here's something crazy. I scheduled the deer sale really far in advance, thinking that it would be impossible to fill it. But I think at this point, I have more deer than I have poodles. Something's a little off about this guy, but I really like him. He's kind of sad too. I think I might hold on to this. Maybe I'll get a better look at him when I get into a spot that has more light. What's this one? She's pretty cute. 38. That's definitely a pass for me. Oh my gosh, how cool is this? $20. I don't think there's a discount in this booth either. No. That's really fantastic though. I love the colors on that. Bunch of little toys here. Squeak. He doesn't squeak anymore. What about the rattle? Still at $3. This one's at $4. That's a really good price. Ah! Oh my gosh. I'm still looking for stuff for the dog train. That's pretty cute. I like that it's in the original packaging, although I will say my plush have been so hit or miss that I'm nervous to pick any more up. I've gotten stuck with a few. Oh my gosh, look at the little clown. And he squeaks. That's a harder to find one. Baby Joy, excuse me. For $3, I'll scoop that up. What's going on in this basket? Hold on, I also see this cat towel. Cute. Oh, boom. Look at that. Joseph Originals bug. $25, 15% off. I think that's probably worth grabbing. I think the last one I sold was like 50 some dollars. I could be making that up. It's been so long. I mean, it's been over a year and a half, so I'm gonna give it a quick Google just to make sure. Those are really hard to find though. Oh my God, I'm dying. I was still trying to get service. Look at the bisque Cupid mermaid. I've never even seen that. Oh my gosh, we're getting keys immediately. That's at $10. That's a steal. Oh my gosh, how fantastic. I also see the little bride and groom. I might scoop that up, but I'm just like so tunnel vision over that. What's going on here? This is a very Kate item. I did go ahead, grilled cheese sandwich. I love it. I did go ahead and pick up, oh my gosh, how cute. You think I'm ever gonna get through what I'm trying to say? I did go ahead and pick up the Cupid Bisque Mermaid as well as the Joseph Originals Bug. They vary in price. It had a tiny little bit of paint loss on the back, but I still think I'll do very well on that. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? 4 nursery tiles. I've had those before. $20 for all is not bad, but since I have had them, I'm gonna pass. Whoa. Interesting. While I don't do a lot of contemporary stuff, I really do like the Cats by Nina stuff. $18. That's a pretty good deal. I could make a couple bucks off that because they get the 10%, but not enough to justify it. This is the booth I was really waiting for. So much good stuff in here. What about this guy? These are salt and pepper shakers. How cute. $9. That's not bad at all. I had one similar not long ago. The most epic salt and pepper shaker situation. A lot of them are pretty close to retail, but every once in a while I find a really unique pair at a decent price. Look at the skunks. Oh my gosh, that one's fun with the doghouse. Now this one sticks out to me. $8. And it's got the little ladybug on it. I bet that orange glows like crazy. I'm gonna grab that. That's epic. Now, what's going on in here? That's kind of fun. 15. It's a little, it's like $13 after the discount. Yeah, these are all contemporary pretty much. That one's a little bit older, but a little underwhelming. What's in this basket? You know what though? This does have a little bit of paint loss, and I'm trying to be super picky about that. I know it's epic, but I'm gonna put it back. There's a lot of good ones, but I'm kind of flower broached out at the second. I bought so many. Oh my gosh, how fun. Oh, it's broken. I bought so many from this vendor. That's how the jewelry sale began. I was like, oh my gosh, I have a whole lunch bag full of these. Well, I surprisingly didn't pick up anything there, but I'm really curious what's happening here. There's just like a random head vase in the jar. I'm not sure what's going on here. Why is she in the jar? Is she gonna fall apart when I open her? $15 as is. Uh-oh. Well, this might take 2 hands. Dang, that is a shame. She does have a pretty significant chip right there. Oh, that pains me. I kind of love her too. I did look up that Christmas girl one. I think I could still make money off of it, but I don't really want to pay $45 for something that's been repainted, honestly. Oh, that's painful to leave behind. What's this little elf? Oh my gosh. $20. Just kidding. This booth has the best prices, and there's like a random older Kit Kat clock without tail works. 19. Totally fair. I don't know if I want to mess with it without the tail, even though it wouldn't be hard to get a replacement tail, but I kind of just like to, oh my gosh, I just walked right into the wall. Move things in and out. But here we have the Fenton milk glass. That's at $5.50. I do think I'm gonna go ahead and snag that. Gosh, what is this chick thing hiding back here? Oh, how cute. $18, 40% off. Yeah, that's a little bit more than I'd like to pay, even though it's totally fair. What is that? Good grief. Very strange. Dude, what? Why is this $8? Okay, so the Bluebirds is at $85. That's a fair price for a collector. This one's at $50 for 3. It's a really phenomenal set. Let's see, 15% off. Dude, I'm still confused. Why is this $8? This is a really rare red polka dot bow tie piece. I'm grabbing that. So after the discount, this comes to $47, which is a little bit more than I should pay. I feel like I'd probably end up breaking even on it. I really am obsessed with the Bluebirds on branch. It's a really good price. I'm a little hesitant to spend that much on it though, even with the 15%, because then you add tax and fees after selling. Like, again, the same situation, I'd probably only end up making a couple bucks. What is that hula girl? Is that a Ladro hula dancer? It is. How curious. It's very expensive though. I literally went back to check the price tag on that pig one last time. It seems really too good to be true. This is at $11.50. Why? Oh, it's cracked. That's why I was gonna say. That's really nice. I love that satin finish and yellow. Oh, look at this squirrel going on vacation. He's quite great. $20 though, dang. I love those. Well, what fun. I found some really great stuff in there. I spent $51. I did end up putting that deer back. There was something off about it, and there was really bad crazing, and the bell was driving me nuts. I couldn't have dealt with that much longer. So I'm gonna get in the car and I'm gonna hop on down the road here. I will see you guys when I get there.